సో డ్రాగన్లో మేము సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత ఏదైనా మేము అలాంటి ఒక అంశం పట్టుకుంటాము, కానీ మాకైతే ఇప్పుడు లవ్ టుడే ఆల్రెడీ మేము ఎంజాయ్ చేసాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మాకు ఒక పేరు కనిపిస్తుంది కాబట్టి వై నాట్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ యువర్ మొబైల్స్ ఫర్ మినిట్.
సూపర్
కదా,
సూపర్.
కయాదు ఫోన్ని ప్రదీప్ గారు తీసుకుని అన్లాక్ చేసి ఇస్తారా?
I always wanted to see an actor and actress exchange their phone and see
What
which
you're
all
saying, yes.
No,
You're
I'm
so
not.
actor or
confident.
actress they are talking
Because I
to.
don't have anything. Oh, you have something. That's why you're being.
I have a lot of things. I don't wish to show it to you.
Show it to me.
I'll show it to some grandmother or something like
Grand.
that. Yeah. So
What
that
is this?
they'll not understand what's there.
Oh, acha. Then I want his.
వీళ్ళు
phone.
మొబైల్ తీసుకుని
Because your
ముందే
grandmother.
కొట్టుకుంటున్నారు.
Shut up. I'm not. I look like a grandmother
No,
to
just-
you. Interesting.
No.
Kayadu, your phone.
ఫోన్
Newly entering actress. I
Oh.
want to know
Yeah.
what all is there.
What? There's nothing in my phone.
Okay, even if I die, I just want her to die. So I'll exchange and see what it is there.
యు గాట్ యువర్ ఫోన్?
Yeah, I have my phone.
ఓకే సూపర్, హియర్ వి
How
గో.
sportive.
Let me just put it on.
లవ్ టుడే కాన్సెప్ట్ ని రీక్రియేట్ చేయబోతున్న ప్రదీప్ రంగనాథ్ గారు అండ్ కయాడు.
Kayadu.
Okay, give me your phone first.
అండ్ లాక్ చేసిస్తున్నారా లేదా? ఓకే
Unlock
ఓకే,
phone.
నౌ దట్ ద ఫోన్స్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్డ్, ఏం ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయబోతున్నారు
Hey,
ఫోన్
this
లో
is-
మీరు?
Can you unlock this?
ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ లాక్డ్.
Why have you locked it? Unlock it.
Hey, which app are you asking for?
Huh?
Which app?
Which app? I don't know. You tell which app.
Which
Well,
app
I'll
Kayadu
put-
is asking to unlock?
Ah, okay. Got it.
కాదు, మీరు మొబైల్స్ తీసుకుని సైలెంట్ గా చూసుకుంటే ఎలా? మాకు కదా తెలియాలి.
What
Wow.
are we seeing this?
I have a different app on your phone.
What is that different? Shut up.
Meme creation app.
Meme creation. Can you please not go over there?
ఓ, మనకు అలాంటి యాప్ కూడా ఉందా?
Kayadu Lohar
I
is the
need to
next
check
top
something.
thing in Telugu cinema.
She
You create your own memes, sir.
You search
No,
for
no,
it?
no.
You create your
No,
own
no,
memes
no.
and put it in meme
She's
channels.
not
sir.
searching.
She
She's
created
taking
a
her
meme.
she's taking her own photo
Okay.
and putting
She's
Kayadu
writing
Lohar is the next
top heroine in
Heroine
Telugu
in
cinema.
cinema.
So you make
No
your own
one is
memes.
doing it.
No, you make your own memes. You give it to meme channels
and they'll circulate
That's
it.
called PR. If no one is doing it, you have to do it. Fake it till you make it.
Nice hit concept.
Okay. Huh.
But
Wait, hold
You
on.
have to
Let me
believe it.
just
Yeah,
go through.
అక్కడ
Yeah.
ఒకటి వచ్చింది, మీరు
you
కూడా
have to
చెప్పండి.
believe it first. No.
Yes, you have to believe it first.
Wait.
Then the
let
world
me
will
see
believe
what
it.
and all.
Hold
What
on.
are all
What-
memes you have about yourself?
Who is this person
Which
that you are
person?
texting?
Which person?
వాట్సాప్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయారు
You
డైరెక్ట్
you really opened it.
No. Huh. So, who is
How
this
did you
per-
open it? You know?
Because I know.
Where did you see?
I know your password. Hello, mister.
how come you know his password?
పాస్వర్డ్ తెలుసా?
No, because I saw him open
10 years
it,
I'm
no,
with
so
him. I don't know his password.
ఆయన
From
phone
my
open
peripheral
చేస్తుంటే
eye, I saw.
secretly password
Really see
చూసారు.
anything?
No.
Okay, fine.
Oh, you.
Kayadu
Oh,
is
okay, I'll see
something.
then.
No, please.
Who are you texting?
What? Who?
You said that you only share memes to me. You're
Excuse
sharing
me?
memes to everyone over here.
What?
The same meme he has sent me,
ఇక్కడ
he
మేము
has sent
కూడా
the
ఉన్నాం,
same
మాకు
meme to
చెప్పండి.
someone.
Who is that?
Should I take the name? Tell me. You said that I am only a meme person, right?
You know, you're my friend. She is my meme friend.
Oh, but you're sharing the same meme to that person also. The same meme that you shared it to me.
ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయిపోయారు.
Huh? What?
It's the same meme that you shared it to me. You're sharing the same meme to her also.
Not only to her.
That's what I'm seeing.
Lot of people will send that meme.
Wait, let me just go through another app also.
She's asking. You
What?
guys are talking
కాదు,
between you
మీరు
two.
మీరే డిస్కస్ చేసుకొని మీరే ఒక
This will go on for a very long
That's
time.
what.
The whole day.
No, he
See, she is only my meme friend. You are my friend.
Who's your movie friend?
Who's my movie friend?
You said what friend?
Movie
No,
friend,
she is
meme
only
friend.
my meme friend. You are my friend.
Oh, who's your meme friend?
See,
Who's that meme friend?
see.
No, you tell.
Tell her.
కాదు, కయాదు he revealed something from your phone that is some memes, okay? You also have to reveal something for us.
Okay.
మీరు కూడా మీ పర్సనల్ గా చూసుకుంటున్నారు ఫోన్ ని, మాకు చెప్పట్లేదు.
Okay, I'm not doing it.
Don't see.
Ayya.
Don't see.
I can't. Sorry, I cannot cross boundaries.
No, Cheppu. Who's that
Cheppu.
person?
అదే, who is that meme friend?
You're sharing it to Mamita and all.
That is only meme friend.
That she's your nice
No,
meme
see,
friend.
I shared
So
it to
Mamita
Anupama
is
also.
your meme friend.
No, bro. I've shared it to Anupama or something. If any interesting meme comes, like I'll just share.
You'll share only to all girls, huh? Not
Oh,
to
yeah, I've not shared
I didn't
you
get
any
it.
memes.
No, you don't share interesting memes.
I
with
can't
me.
tell the things I share with him.
Okay.
I can see that here, but I
Girl
can't
meme
say.
friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not girlfriend. Girl meme
Girl
friend.
meme friend.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Meme
okay.
friend.
Yeah.
I share memes even to boys.
Okay.
Next
దీన్ని
time-
బట్టి అర్థమైంది ఏంటంటే ఇద్దరు ఫోన్స్ లో కామన్ గా ఉన్నవి మీమ్స్ అని అర్థమైంది.
That is a new way to start conversation.
Yes. Yes.
You can't make own comedies. Share the comedies from somewhere.
కయాడు దొరికింది కదా అని ఫోన్ ని
I am
మొత్తం
so
చదివేస్తున్నా,
shocked
అసలు వదలట్లేదు.
seeing his phone that I am silenced.
Why are you seeing? Give me.
Why are you upset,
Done.
Kayadu?
Why are you not
I am-
seeing, sir? You are not seeing and telling anything. She's
My phone is
Now
very
I don't.
boring.
No, now I just want to live, even if she lives. Please. Thank you.
finally.
See, there was nothing in my phone. It was very boring. His phone was very interesting.
But you
I
didn't
couldn't.
reveal anything to us. Okay, anyways, ఇక్కడ ఫైనల్ గా కంగారు పడి ఫోన్ తీసేసుకున్నది అబ్బాయే మళ్ళీ. సో యు ఆర్ స్కేర్డ్ నో ఫైనల్లీ.
But isn't it little awkward? Girl creating own memes next.
Punch your face.
Super.
I don't want your answer.
But her justification for that was
Yeah.
fantastic.
See,
Yeah, yeah.
Fake it till
Fake
you
it till you make it.
Perfect. Yes.
I'll make
I'll-
memes
I'll
for
do
you,
that.
Kayadu.
I see that in a different way. Like, you have to believe in yourself.
Yourself.
Before everyone else.
You have to
believes.
create your own memes.
That's it.
Perfect.